don't know. Okay guys, let's get into how I season these babies up. So first of all, I used a teaspoon of some sazon, some garlic powder, a little bit of salt. You can basically season it to taste. Then I added my flour, and I did flour and cornstarch. Got a little messy. Stirred that together, added a little Cajun seasoning, some pepper, and a little Himalayan sea salt, and just mixing that together. This is the star of the story. Here is the star of the party, the enoki mushroom. So I cut the ends off of it, and oh my goodness, guys, look at this. I opened my seltzer water, and yeah, it flew everywhere. Been sitting on my counter for days, but yeah, on film. So I mixed that together with the seasoning, and basically I just mix that batter together until it's smooth, and you can see the consistency of it. And then I take my mushrooms, I slice them, cut them, dip them in the batter, and fry those babies up. So yeah, you guys, I'm just considering this to see if I would do this as a alternative to eating chicken. I'm sure if I did my research on chicken, I probably wouldn't want to eat chicken. So it's just a cute little alternative. So we'll see how they turn out. So they fry up really, really pretty, just like chicken. And in a second, we are going to sit down and try these babies. Okay guys, so we are here to try the enoki mushrooms. So we're already done. I made some french fries just in case it wasn't good. I made this lime sauce, so let's see. I battered them. They look like chicken. So let's try the crispiest one. Okay. And it's giving chicken, but I think this one has a little too much batter. Let's try one that's a little less battered. I think my batter needs to be so it's definitely giving chicken. I don't know. I like it as a healthy alternative to chicken. Let's see. Oh yeah, baby. I like it. Ten out of 10.